Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one of the website I shared with you in the server days ago. The withdrawal proof of that website. This website pay you 100%. I share with you the withdrawal proof. But a lot of people think I make a fake videos, fake website. I didn't make a fake videos because a lot of websites I make for you that all pay you. Just some website didn't pay because after a few days that will be make a scam. That not my fault, okay? And this is the website I share with you. This is the website. You can see I have this much coin, and this website pay you instantly in your Faucet pay, okay? And just you can see the Faucet pay progress is right now, okay? Just pay you on Faucet pay. Which cryptocurrency you want to pay this website? I want to pay Litecoin, okay? Just click the Litecoin, paste your wallet address, okay? Go to your deposit, okay? In Faucet pay, go to deposit, copy your Faucet pay Litecoin wallet address and come here, paste it, okay? And just click withdraw. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet pay without any timer, without any second, okay? Just the Faucet doesn't access. Okay, right now this website didn't have much more Litecoin. I use another cryptocurrency. This website pay me. Just I use maybe Torrent or Dutch. I use Dutch, and right now I go to copy my Dutch wallet address. Sometimes this website didn't pay in some cryptocurrency because of the balance this website didn't have. And you can see this website pay me Dutch coin to my Faucet pay, and I receive my Dutch coin from this website, and you can see this is the website. I received this much Dutch coin from this website, okay? This is very best website, and if you just go to that website you can make much more Dutch from that website. Last time I make a withdrawal with Litecoin. Right now didn't have a balance of the Litecoin. I withdraw dogecoin, okay? This website and person paying website, you can see this is the withdrawal proof of this website. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. All my videos is a free way earning, okay? I didn't make money from the website and I didn't make money from the YouTube right now, okay? Just I make sure this all website is a free, okay? Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye.